Experience a new standard of home maintenance with the Shark AV2501S AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Its advanced matrix clean navigation meticulously traverses every section of your floors, ensuring no debris is overlooked. Equipped with a true HEPA filtration system and a 30-day bagless self-emptying base, it continuously captures and contains dust, allergens, and pet hair, ideal for a healthier living environment. Precision home mapping with 360-degree LiDAR vision delivers accurate, customized cleaning, even in changing lighting or room layouts. Streamline your cleaning routine. Take charge today with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum.